Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your AOL mail account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your AOL mail account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in aol.com like this and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for AOL mail login on the Google itself and hit enter. And after that, you can see from the first tab we are on the home page of AOL, whereas from the Google search and on the first result of Google you can see the AOL email login. Click over there and let's let the page load first, and you can see this is the direct login page of AOL mail. Now to log into your AOL mail account from your home page of AOL itself, you can see the login/join option available on the top right corner of the screen. Click over there first, and after that you can see both of these pages are same. Let's close one of these, and now to log into your AOL mail account you'll be required to enter your username or your email or your mobile which you had registered on AOL at the time of creation of your account. And after entering your username, email or mobile number, click on next name. An empty box will open and you'll be required to enter your password. Enter your password over there and click on sign in to log into your AOL mail account. Or if you have forgotten your username, you can see the forgot username option available over here. Click over there to go through a procedure to retrieve your username. Or if you have not yet created an account on AOL, you can see you can create an account by clicking on this button which says create an account. You'll be taken to the procedure to sign up for AOL. Or if you want to log into your AOL mail from the Google or the Yahoo itself, you can see both of these buttons are available. If I click on the Google, login page for Google will appear, and I'll be required to enter my Gmail over here, and on the next step I'll be required to enter my password of Gmail, and then I'll be logged into my AOL account from the Google account itself. Or if you wanted to log into your AOL mail account from the Yahoo, you can see the Yahoo button available over here. Click on Yahoo, and a login page of the Yahoo ID will open, where you'll be required to enter your Yahoo ID over here, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password of Yahoo ID. And there guys, this is how you log into your AOL mail account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.